Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I'm definitely still very, very bullish. I still think this looks like a wave 1 and a wave 2. If that's true, that means that we're in a wave 3 right now. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2, which you actually look, if you zoom this down a little bit, that would actually put us all the way up to the 161.8 on the monthly time frame. I still think there's a pretty good chance this is going to go all the way up to about the 25, maybe even $2,600 area on the monthly. And like I said, we are on the monthly, so that's going to take a very, very, very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly, this is where I see an uptrend. Looks like a five-way pattern for a 1. I still think this looks like a correction, wave 2. I still think we're in a wave 3, and this is all just subdivisions of that wave 3. Now, yeah, we are going down right now, but I think if this really is a wave 3 of wave 3, which I do think it is, then this thing has a lot of upside potential. And if we do go short on shorter time frames, I think we need to do it with a lot of caution because it could just keep on trending up at any time. Going down to the daily, I mean, to me, this whole thing right here looks extremely corrective, like it's just going to keep on trending up. Now, I was thinking it would go down a little bit more, but I mean, to me, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, maybe a 4, maybe a 5. Maybe it's just a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend, and this next move up is not even going to be a wave 5. It's just going to be a subdivision of a much, much bigger wave 3. Like I was explaining on the higher time frames, we may have a lot of upside potential. Going down to the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame, like I keep saying, it seems like it would go down to the 38%, maybe touch this rally-based rally area right here. But the thing you really have to understand is if the daily and the weekly and the monthly are really in a wave 3 of wave 3, this thing could make just little pullbacks and just keep on trending up, which is why I say, even though I suspect that it could go down to the 38%, I would be pretty cautious about going short. I mean, it does look like it should go down, maybe do something like that before it goes up, but I would actually almost expect that it might just keep on going up from here. I definitely would be looking for longs, and I would definitely be ignoring anything that I thought was a short opportunity. Now, don't get me wrong, we've definitely had a couple nice shorts. There was 3 ways up right there. There was 3 ways up right here. If this makes 1, 2, 3 ways up like that, and then an impulsive engulfing move to the downside, then yeah, why not go short? I would just trade with a little bit of caution if I did decide to go short. But I would have to see a pretty clear 3-way pattern, just like these other 2 ones that I just showed you in the past. A pretty clear ABC up and impulsive engulfing down before I would be willing to go short. I would have to see something like that because, like I said, it may even be more likely and more probable that this thing is just going to keep on trending up from here and that this ABC correction is actually over and that maybe it's not even an ABC. Maybe it's a 1, 2, 3 W. And then this is like 1, 2, 3 X, and then 1, 2, 3 Y. If this is a WXY, then this could be the end of a correction, and this break of structure would pretty much prove that it's the end of a correction and a continuation of the uptrend. And we have a lot of dollar news this week. We got interest rate for the US dollar, so definitely trade with caution, especially this week. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is up here in the card. And also don't forget to check out my new website link down here in the corner. As always, happy trading and good luck to everybody.